How to evaluate a startup company's technology. Hundreds of startup companies are developed each day. According to the Global Entrepreneurship Monitor, 300 million people are trying to start 150 million businesses worldwide. Other reports suggest that 305 million total startups are created in any given year. That is a whole lot of business. But in an age that is defined by technology and digital, how do you evaluate whether the right technology tools are being used? In this video, we will dive into a 10-step process to follow. 1. Deep tech projects. The decision to invest in a project or a startup is based on the assessment of growth potential and the associated risks. Investors have tools and methods at their disposal to carry out this assessment. Investors are approached by many startups using the latest breakthrough technologies to offer a differentiated product. This is called a deep tech project. 2. Context. The case presented is that of a startup producing innovative dyes with a breakthrough industrial process that has very significant environmental benefits. The investor has to examine two issues in particular. 1. Understanding the risk of industrialization and scalability of the new industrial process. 2. Appreciate the ease of integration of this process to more global processes in the industry in which it is to be inserted. 3. A rigorous method. The method is to obtain results in less than a week. A rigorous method and very tight timing are required. The first step is to understand the basics of the technology used by the startup. This understanding is based on an interview with the technical director of the startup to grasp the proposed innovation. As the startup has a scientific committee, 3 of the members of this committee are also interviewed. 4. The bibliography. After these interviews, the platform is used to create a quick bibliography around the technology. This bibliography is organized in a tree structure around the main branches of the process. The investigation of scientific publications and patents on the technology makes it possible to identify a certain number of hard points mentioned in the scientific and technical literature, which can be documented. Difficulties mentioned, proposed future work, patents that could be enforceable, and limitations of other processes. 5. Experts identification. 8 experts are contacted in Italy, Serbia, Northern Ireland, Spain, Germany, United States, Malaysia, and India. But only 3 can be interviewed, as they responded very quickly and agreed to a conversion the following day. They are in Europe: the University of Siena, Italy, University of Belgrade, Serbia, and the University of Barcelona, Spain. 6. Interviews. The interviews, based on an interview guide, are conducted around the main risks identified during the bibliographical survey. They also focus on confirming the benefits of the technology and identifying additional risks that may be pointed out by experts. Many more experts/institutes were identified, but not contacted due to the very short time frame of the study. 7. Feedback and synthesis. A final step is to provide a very straightforward and transparent feedback to the technical director of the startup to assess his understanding of the risks and the preventative measures implemented to manage them. The summary of the study, therefore, focuses on the benefits, risks, and measures taken or envisioned to limit these risks. 8. Results. In the summary, the risks are classified according to 3 levels. Red level, significant risk that is not yet controlled or anticipated. Amber level, significant risk but well controlled and anticipated, or moderate risk not yet controlled or anticipated. Green level, moderate risk to be monitored and well controlled. 9. The following. The entire process, which takes less than a week, therefore, allows the validation that no red level risk has been identified for the project. Green level and amber level risks are recorded in the executive summary, suggesting the implementation of specific monitoring in case of investment. 10. Experience feedback. The extreme speed and efficiency of the method have confirmed the investor's intention to participate in the startup's funding. He was able to do so with a well-controlled level of risk and based on the opinion of experts from outside the project. The name of the startup was not mentioned during the entire external interview phase. To learn more, download the white paper, How to Evaluate a Startup's Technology, by IDEX Lab from onlinewhitepapers.com.